Hello guys, this is Capricorn 7 6 Tarot. I hope you're well. If you're not, then we'll get well soon. So here I am, Sagittarius weekly reading in June. So let's see what's the mutual energy between you two, or maybe overall energy, like you handling other relationship like family, or overall your career, or what's going on in your common life. Respect relationship. I will do relationship reading in next. So wait. So first I do mutual energy. Sagittarius, let's see what's going on your own overall relationship, like you're happy, you're healing, the lover is also there, so you're spending your time with spouse, maybe Virgo. The Hermit mode, this is this is your card. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini. And Three of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo energy. The Virgo is also there. You're stressing too much, Virgo, about past memories or past relationship, or maybe you're too much spending time with home, like your partner. You're thinking about your partner thoughts or words, what they're saying to you in the past or right now. So this kind of Hermit mode, it's not a painful situation, but you're thinking or spending too much time in the past memories or past, what they did to you, what they are saying in the past, what's their mean on that time, like that thing. But you also praying to your wish come true. So Sagittarius, this is Sagittarius reading, so this is not a Hermit Sagittarius card, this is Virgo card. Sorry, I just slipped in my mouth. So the Hermit is Virgo. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo, or it's could be a cross watcher. It's kind of different. Your spouse is Virgo, maybe, or maybe someone is very in Hermit mode, like thinking they lost something, and they are just in that pain. They don't even know what's going on in their life. They are suddenly sad. I don't know why. They see anything on internet, or maybe uh, you know they see anything bad or good or something. They are just thoughtful. They read a book, they're thinking a lot about that. Or maybe you, Sagittarius, this kind of don't thinking. You don't like read. I don't think you read a books. You don't read books, Sagittarius. Maybe it could be, but it's not your hobby, Sagittarius. So it could be, but I just sensing maybe not, because I don't think so. You like the readings or kind of big, you know, books. So maybe, but I don't sure. But it's kind of Three of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo energy. You are just working on your relationship, working on your own self, Sagittarius, or you're nurturing yourself, you're caring, you take care of your parents, your family, and you're just developing and becoming something new. You're becoming a better person right now. Three of Pentacle, you are just connecting to God, and you're thinking about your last or past sins. It's kind of bad or good thing also there. So you are just wishing something, you're praying for someone, you're praying for your life, praying for your better life, your wishes, or your parents, or something you just want, and hopeful. This is hopeful too. So overall relationships are good, but this is your own grooming side. Sagittarius, Three of Pentacle is also there. You're working on that thing. You just praying for, you also crying for, and you're working on that situation. But you're of course you're working on your own self. Maybe you're healing, you're developing in a new person, your comfort. You just want your comfort, and you find your comfort. That's why you're just doing great in your like a career or overall situations around you. So overall they are very positive. You're busy. Okay, you're developing, you're just grooming, you need the strength, and you praying for. and the attraction is also there. You're attracted to other person, they are attractive to you, but you are just, this is new person is coming in your life, that's where you're thinking about the past with them, or maybe you're thinking about your past experiences, or maybe past people's coming in your way now, and you're thinking why, what's they need right now, what they need. So three pentacle is also there. You're just doing great, you're just talk to them point to point, straight talk maybe, but it's kind of different thoughts or different situation in different people's. So don't get me wrong, Sagittarius. So let's see in your relationship, let's see what's the mutual energy between you two, then I will see your partner energy or yours too. So let's see what's the mutual energy. Five of Cups. So maybe you're dealing with Virgo, because also I flipped before Virgo sign, or maybe, so maybe the Virgo, this is Virgo, and maybe this card Virgo get it in their reading. That's why I'm just saying maybe you're dealing with Virgo, not necessary, but the Five of Cups is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and this is loss maybe you're dealing with. And Nine of Pentacles, it's Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo energy. Okay, you're grooming. And Six of Pentacles, you're just working on your relationship. Nine of Cups, so you're wishing, but between you two it's mutual energy. You lost someone, you may be down to some, maybe you ditch someone, Sagittarius, or maybe you are scared to ditch someone, maybe you are scared to your partner like they ditch you. So Five of Cups in Three Cups is loss, and Two Cups is also there. So it's kind of relationship problem is there. So lots of people's involved, lots of energies are around you who hurt you, hurt your feelings, hurt your partner feelings, or maybe they something said very bad to you. So, and the Nine of Pentacles with Nine of Cups, you are happy to each other, like you're on, like you love each other, you miss each other, you are just comfortable with each other, like you're getting space to each other, like maybe you get your point, that person is, like that person very well. That's what maybe makes you peace, makes you worry less, Sagittarius. And Six of Pentacles is also there. So equal taken is equal, give and take, or the energy, the love, the respect, the feelings, this is mutual. So the equally love is equally, and this is not a harsh game, this is not and of this is not a mind games is there. So balancing, lovable, you love each other, and you also know you are very important to each other, that you are ready to commit with them, you're ready to something new with them, but this is your past love. Definitely you hurt them in the past, they hurt you in the past, but something lost, pain, and pain makes you more stronger. Pain makes you realize how much you care about that person, sorry. So yeah, Nine of Pentacles, or maybe your timing and karmic universe makes you stronger because you handle this person, okay? Or maybe your soulmate to each other, or this is your soulmate, you are their soulmate. It's kind of soul energy, you connecting by your soul, you're not possessive with each other, you're just know that what's going on in their life, you are very important to them, and they get you through their actions, Sagittarius. You get them through their actions, and they get you through your actions. So Six of Pentacles, so equal, give and take, balance, love, mutual, or caring energy is mutual. You're take care to each other, you love each other, this is your wish, you're praying before, this is, and you get them, and you know that this is one for them, and they know you are one for them. So it's kind of relaxing, peace in relationship. That pain, that thing, that ditchness, that down thing is makes you strong. You both are strong now in relationship. And clothes, so it's kind of clothes, or maybe you're six. So this is divine hand. Six is kind of balancing love, romance, equal give and take. It's kind of very reliable, positive person who handle other truths. They are very straightforward person. Maybe you and your partner is. So this is the one digit, single digit. So this is very comfort. It's kind of six. So two people's going to one. So it's that makes sense. Six type of type of relationship are very strong. Okay, this is mutual. Feelings, care, love, respect, it's mutual. You get my point? You understand my point? I hope so. So six is kind of clothes also there. So lots of peoples or lots of misunderstandings is there or right now coming because people are jealous, maybe jealous. That's why people involved in this relationship before now they hurt you because you don't know each other better. You don't know each other in the past, so that's why the crap is coming in the past. So let's see, the clothes is also there. So maybe you're dealing with lots of misunderstanding before or maybe misunderstanding coming, but this is air clear. It's kind of clear the air. So soon this is reveal the true colors of peoples or true colors of relationship. But where are you going? Pay attention to the red flag. This is what I'm saying. Pay attention to the red flags. Pay attention to the peoples who are happy for you or happy for your relationship or your family or friends. The signs are conscious you. Maybe lots of people tell you that this person is bad in the past, right? Maybe lots of people misunderstand you by your partner, or maybe lots of people tell you the wrong story about your partner. So let's see, pay attention to the red flags who are good for you, who are your true friend or true no. Oh my god, this is also the sign is also no. So maybe this is your message. Maybe this person coming from your past and they coming from you to get something from you, like money, your time wasting thing, because they are very independent. Or maybe they're coming from you like they're coming from the past and they are ready to gain something from you, like they are just clothes is also there. So it's kind of misunderstanding, lots of people's separating between you two. And Nine of Pentacles is also there. Maybe your partner is too freedom oriented type person because they are maybe little selfish because they focus on their selves more than you. Like it's kind of, but they are equally respect you, love you, nurture you, but it's kind of different sign, different peoples for different peoples, because clothes misunderstanding is also there. So this is clear signs to know that don't believe the stupid things like people said to you. So this is also the no sign. Pay attention to the red flags also there. So just see their actions, Sagittarius. Lots of people's involved this connection because they jealous of your relationship, jealous of your happiness, because you are made for each other type of couple, or lots of people just want to get your man, get your girl, your spouse, maybe because they want to separate you with your partner or the home, or like something different thoughts, different negative people's or eye on you on this relationship too. So that's the main point, because you, or it's kind of your own misunderstanding coming from in the past relationship, like or lots of fears, lots of bad experience in relationship, because we Sagittarius, I don't know what's going on, because I just get different messages for different peoples. So So this is clear sign no. If you are not ready for commitment, if you're not ready to forgive that person, then don't do that. Don't waste their time, don't waste your own time too. And pay attention to the red flags is also a message for those who are just too much with your friends or other family members. Like, you pay attention, okay? Red flags. If your common friends are like spreading rumors about you, about your partner, then don't believe that. Just see how people's response to you when you are sad, when you're happy. Just see their reaction. That's the red flag too. Okay, the clothes is also is there. So this is different message from different people's, like clothes, misunderstanding, lots of people or different faces out there. So see the clothes. So it's kind of different faces, good or bad, sad and happy, or maybe jealous and evil eye. So just be aware of that fact. Okay, Nine of Cups and Nine of Pentacles, this is your mutual energy in relationship. You love, and this is your partner energy more than you. They love you, they care about you, they like you are one for them, they are one for you. They tell you straight, they need their space, they need you, but get it. Okay, so if you are ready, if you are want to forgive that person, if you're ready to commit with them, then do it. Don't see the other rumors, other people's faces, other people's attentions, other people's advices, okay, on your relationship. People tell you the stories or advices based on their own experience. So you just understand every person face the bad or good experience in their life. So their experience don't ruin your good energy. You're a good person, you are good in your life. So don't ruin that based on other people's experience or bad experience. See? Okay, I hope you get my point. Don't misunderstand. Okay, just see the actions on your partner, so let me know in comments and see that what God or universe give you the clear signs, or what's the signs coming up from your partner or coming up on people's, like they are very happy with you, or just they are making face or making just fun of you behind you. So let me know in comments, guys, and subscribe my channel, please. I love you so much, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, for more uploads. So I hope this resonates with you, because this is lots of different messages from different people, Sagittarius. Maybe it could be vice versa, past, right, future. It's kind of different messages for different peoples. So let me know in comments, guys. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos.